friend, to be honest, not a brand ambassador. Sorry, I got carried away. I'm a brand friend. It's my wishful thinking. I hope they hear it too. Anything else?
Radhika Prabhat from ANI. Radhika, you have been quite a successful in career, but you know, a kind of controversy being created before release of the film, or kind of bold road you accept. Is it necessary to become controversial or being bold for becoming successful?
My friend, you're sorry, but your question is very ridiculous. Controversies are made by people like you. You saw the clip, you shared it with other people. You are the person that controversies are made out of. I'm an artist. If I'm required to do a certain job, I will do it. If you get out of your cocoon and look at the world cinema and look at what people are doing abroad and what people are successfully doing and are not ashamed of their own bodies, you will probably not ask me this question. People who are ashamed of their own bodies have curiosities about other bodies. So if you want to see a naked body tomorrow, look at yourself in the mirror or yourself rather than my clip. And then we can talk about this. Is that fair?
Radhika, talking about girl film, I think it's great to talk about the cross-cultural exchange that is being banned right now. You know, Pakistani accent not being allowed. What's your take?
Man, every
that is something. No, once again.
Yeah, we have to talk about watches. I think if a Swiss watch can come to the country and have their first corporate store, I think a Pakistani actor should come here and do a film here in India. That's my statement. It has to be about watches.
Radhika, any memories related to your watches, any gift?
As I told you, my first memory with watches was my dad's big watches. I didn't even know the names at that time. I was that small, but I used to wear his watches at flaunt.
Radhika.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes.
Radhika, watch is more seen as a man accessory, you know.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people don't think watches as a gift for a woman.
Right.
What do you think, like how the whole trend will change and, you know, like how it's all evolving now? That, you know, there are so many watches available in different styles, and now that this one is coming up with an automatic style.
Yeah.
So, like, do you think you will love a watch, you know, instead of something else as a gift?
I any day prefer a watch to some jewelry. And, you know, I think watches yeah, you're right. I mean, men get watches, but also couples get watches. You have this woman and a man watch. But what is really cool about this is very androgynous. And I think that's really the in thing right now. There is no right, and you don't decipher between, oh, this is a man's trouser or woman's trouser. It's actually really cool to be androgynous. And I'm sure they have watches for men and watches for women. But the kind of designs they have made, you can actually just put it together and create a really cool look. And the best thing is you can create a look based on the watch, not on the dress or not on something else. But the watch can be the highlight, and you're like, okay, I want to wear this watch today, so what do I wear accordingly?
Can I have the TV medias up, please? Richa?